If you've ever wanted to create an AI movie from scratch with consistent characters and perfect video movements, this video is for you. In just a few minutes, I'll walk you through the AI I use to build my characters, create consistent images, turn your images into videos, and edit them. Interestingly, you don't need to worry about choosing the best AI video creation tool, be it the latest Kling 2.0, Minimax, or Luma AI. The AI tool I'll be showing you in this video has got you covered. We'll only be using one major AI tool called Dzine AI, a one subscription for all AI visual tool. Let's get started. This tutorial video is divided into 6 segments. The first segment is creating a storyboard. This depends on you though. For me, I'll be creating a 3D animation romance short movie. I'll put the idea in ChatGPT to expand in a narration style. You can also ask the AI for ideas on what to create. Once you've gotten your story, save it in your document file. Then go through it and edit it yourself. Going forward, I'll ask ChatGPT to create scenes for the story, including the characters. For the second segment, generating a voiceover, I'll be using Minimax Audio. I'll sign in to receive free credits. There are some voices here I can use. Let's go for the best narration voice for our story. I'll use the Radiant Girl. Then, generate. To the third segment, building character model. Based on my story, I'll only be creating 2 major character models. The first step is to get the character description. ChatGPT can help you with that. The second step here is to build our characters. To access Dzine AI, click the link in the description section or visit dzine.ai. Start for free and register with your Gmail to get some free credits. I'm already subscribed. Thanks to Dzine AI for making this available. Let's move on. Go to the workspace. Click the character here. Build your character. You can either start with a description or with images. I'll start with description. Name your character. I'll name mine Sana Blake. Describe it. And you can decide to add a reference space, which is better especially if you're creating a digital image of yourself. For the style, there are about 88 styles to choose from. Take your time to explore. I'll go with this and generate. Here's the preview page. I'll go with this second preview as it looks mature and cute. Click Start Training. Wait for a few minutes to finish the training. Once done, click Consistent Characters. Choose a character, and here's the character we just built. There's the character description should be constant, but if you want to change your outfit or hairstyle, you can edit it from there. I'll show you how to do that later in this video. At the character action and scene, write your prompt. I'll follow my storyboard. Interestingly, you have full control over your camera settings in terms of the direction and angle or shot. I'll go for the wide shot and 16:9 for canvas. You can leave the generation mode. The advanced section here is if you have a seed number for any image. I'll leave it and generate. Here's the result.
Cool, right?
To download, click here, and you can choose your file type and upscale for better quality, but it'll cost more credits. To build more characters for consistent generation, follow the same process. I'll name this one Aiden Cross. I'll choose this right here and start training. While we're waiting, let's explore. This AI tool has the image-to-image feature, but we won't be using it in this video. Let's generate using the text-to-image AI tool based on one of my storyboard characters. 16:9 aspect ratio. I won't be adding face or color match and generate. Here's the result. Oh, I love it! Our second image model is ready. Let's generate a scene with it. Choose a character, add your action and scene. For this one, I'll add 2 characters together, though there is another method that I'll show you later. I'll copy and paste the prompt for Sana Blake, our first image model. The first image is better. I'll download. I'll continue generating from my storyboard. Let's try the text-to-image prompt of couples kissing and girls chatting in class. For Aiden Cross, our second image model, let's see him riding his motorbike. Oops, I didn't mention the background. Let's regenerate with the background being a busy street.
Cool, right?
Let's try the insert character feature, where you add 2 or more characters in a scene. I'll choose this number 1 image. Then, use the lasso tool to mark out where you want to insert your character. You can use the auto or brush, but the lasso is easier. The character description will remain intact. Write the action and generate. I have 4 results here. This looks more like it, right? If you want to create a different outfit for your character, here's how to do it. In the character description box, change the outfit. I'll edit mine to be a black hoodie, red jeans, and yellow boots, and set my camera to left view and wide shot. There's it. I'll continue my image generation based on my storyboard. Now that you've learned how to generate your images consistently, let's move on to the 4th segment, image to video generation. Still using Dzine AI, you can animate any image you've generated or any image from your PC. I'll start with the image of Sienna walking to school. Find the image in your results section. We have variation, insert character, AI editor, AI video, lip sync, expression edit, face swap, and you can enhance and upscale. As you can see that there are 2 image results. If you want to edit the first, click 1 and 2 for the second. I'll animate the second image. So at the front of the AI video, I'll go for 2. Got that? It'll show on the left side here where you can choose the video model to use. One thing I love about this AI tool is that once subscribed, I don't need to pay for other AI video tools like Kling AI, Pixelverse, Minimax, Runway, Luma, and One AI. I have everything here. Isn't that interesting? At the front of each model, you'll see the number of credits it'll cost you per 5 seconds generation. If you set your duration to 10 minutes instead, that'll be your credits multiplied by 2. I believe Kling AI video generation is the best for now, so I'll start with the Kling 2.0. I'll add my prompt in the description box here. For the duration, I'll choose 10s, and as you can see, I'll be using 430 credits. Here's the result. Amazing, right? If you're intrigued about this AI tool like I am, take a pause, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification button to stay informed when I post new tutorial videos. Now, let's continue. I'll animate this image using Pixelverse v4. 8 seconds and generate. Let's see the result. Let's try the Minimax model. Here, you can change your camera movement. Let's preview each of them. I'll choose upward tilt and generate. It only costs 56 credits. Here's the result. The next is the Runway Gen Turbo. I'll use this image. Now the Luma Ray 2. After Kling 2.0, this is the next one that consumes lots of credits. Automatically the second best. Here, if you have an end frame, you can add, and that's where it's going to stop the video. I won't be using it in this video though. I'll make my prompt a bit complex. She is walking down the street, head nodding, hand gesturing, and let's generate. Awesome. I'll try the Luma Ray 2 flash. I'll fast forward the process. Before continuing to the next segment, let's go over the pricing. If you're using the free version, you get 32 credits per day, though with limited features. For the monthly plan, you can begin with $8.99. There's the Creator and Master plan. However, to build a character and use the AI video feature, you need to have at least the Creator plan. That's my current plan. With the yearly plan, you pay less, starting with $7. The Creator plan here is $16 and more credits than the monthly plan.
Now to the fifth segment.
Let's lip sync our generated videos. I'll pick a few of them, get the voice again from Minimax Audio, or you can use the ready customized Dzine voices. Go to the video generation you want to use under the results and click lip sync. Choose the face you want to speak. This comes in handy when there are more than 2 characters in your image. Pick a voice. I'll upload mine and generate.
Love? That's for people with time to waste.
Isn't this incredible? Let's see for other videos, but this time, let's use the voices available on Dzine AI. This one seems good.
Generate.
So this is how I'll keep generating till I have my complete storyboard come alive.
Hi everyone, meet Aiden Cross, a new transfer student. Welcome him well, please.
To the 6th segment, edit your video. This is combining our generated videos, adding music backgrounds and sound effects. I'll simply use CapCut. Import all your media files. For the background music, choose from YouTube or other royalty-free music platforms. Ensure you give credit to the owner and read their policies. I'll select one from Pixabay.com. Once you've imported all to CapCut, insert them one by one. Let it flow. If you want to add subtitles, you can use the auto caption. I'll fast forward the process here. Once done, you can add your logo. I'll simply write created by AI domain with Dzine AI. Explore the other effects. And export. There you have it. Creating consistent characters, animating them, and making them talk with Dzine AI. If you want to try it out, find the link in the description section, and don't forget to tag AI domain when sharing your AI creations. If you're new here, smash the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the new AI updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.
Love? That's for people with time to waste. Like those girls in class who whisper about movie kisses during chemistry. My parents divorced after 12 years of forever. That was enough proof for me. It was just another day. I wasn't even paying attention, just listening to my favorite rock and roll music. I was so into the song that I didn't notice a car coming. 1 second, I was halfway into the road. The next, I was pulled back so hard I screamed. And then I saw him. Just a face. One I'd never seen before, but somehow, it felt like I'd known it in a dream or something. He didn't say a word, just smiled and said,
"Hi, miss. I'm also a fan of rock and roll, but I'm not so crazy to cross the road without looking left and right."
He meant to be rude, but his eyes were kind. And then he got on his bike and rode off. Just like that. And me? I stood there, heart in my throat, trying to act like it didn't mean anything. Like I wasn't already wondering what his name was. By the next morning, I had convinced myself it was nothing. Just adrenaline, just timing, just a random guy with a nice face. I even laughed at myself on the way to school. "See, you're not like them," I told my reflection. "You don't fall for moments." But the moment wasn't done with me. The classroom was noisy like always. I barely heard the teacher walk in.
Hi everyone, meet Aiden Cross, a new transfer student. Welcome him well, please.
I turned, slowly. And there he was. The same hoodie. The same smile. That same calm like he knew exactly who I was. My stomach dropped. My mouth forgot how to close. This wasn't supposed to happen. But it did. And all I could think was, is this the beginning of my love story?